So last night, New Year's Eve, got an update when I fired it up this morning on my tablet saying that there's a new firmware update. Or actually, that was yesterday. Installed it. Wasn't exactly the same as the same update for iOS devices. This morning woke up and there was another update, so I grabbed that from the actual DJI site. This is it right here. Okay, so here's the app. And now this is identical to the iOS device. So if I tap on the map, right, click that on the bottom right of the map, just like the iOS one. Now you get the compass. So you can see the attitude. I'm turning the quad left and right, not left and right, but angling it. So you can see the attitude. Now it's dipping forward, dipping backwards. So everything works there. If you go through the settings, camera settings, actually it's control settings. Here it is. So here, you actually have, it's missing one thing. It's missing one feature, which would be to pull up the maps, but no big deal. You can just tap on the screen. So you have camera settings and your AE lock. So that's how I set it. 90-degree turn of the camera for a single tap, then double tap. Brings you to the camera settings. So that works. Pictures. You have your 2x optical zoom, digital zoom, sorry. And when you go to the video, 4K is 30 frames, 2K is now 60 frames, along with 1080p is 60 frames. So now it's just like the iOS device, which is good. What else is there? That's it. And the connection is supposed to be better. It was the last update I got. I find it's pretty solid. So at least now we got the same thing we're running on the iOS devices. And that's it.